Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable mouse gestures on a project. Now to do this, first you have to do is right click, open up your settings, choose browser option from the left, from the right scroll all the way down until you see exactly what you're looking for, which is enable mouse gestures on the shortcut. Now you can simply turn it on. Now what do you mean by mouse gestures? Learn more, learn more. Right, so we're trying to get there. It says there's no internet, so let's reload this page. Alright, we're back. Now, here, what do we mean by to enable browser gestures? So to enable mouse gestures is here. It means to command the browser with your mouse. Upper mouse gesture lets you perform common browsing actions with quick small mouse movements. So I've shown you how to enable it, so now the next one, how do we use mouse gestures? Mouse gestures work by holding the right mouse button, moving the mouse in a certain direction, then letting go of the button. With practice, navigating with the mouse can become fast and efficient. Now, when you enable mouse gestures by using a magic mouse or trackpad, it can cause unpredictable behavior. Let me show you some of the mouse gestures. Here we go. To go back one page, you press down the right key and then you move to the left. To go forward one page, press down the right button actually and move to the right. These are the ones. If you want to know more, you can see all these. These are the gestures, mouse gestures, and the rest of them. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.